new AI platform discovered with free credit. Getting access to free AI platforms to use and create for free is becoming scarce, but I found this platform that gives you access to 3,500 free credit. And guys, this is not a promotional video. This is me doing my research to find tools for you to use and create. And literally, you can use Seedance 2.5 on this platform, and I will show you additional ways you can claim other credits and add up and keep generating. Follow the exact step I'll be showing you from the start to the finish in this video, then you are going to generate video. So guys, I know that more and better tools are coming in the future. In order for you not to miss any of these, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. And guys, without much ado, let's get started.
Okay, guys, so this new platform is incredibly insane. Before you rush to this platform to start creating, please pay close attention to every detail in this video so you don't come back and say it is not working, because absolutely, if I can access this platform, it means that anyone who follow these exact steps will definitely access this platform. So guys, without much ado, let's get started. All right, so the moment to sign up, okay, and log in using your email address, you're going to see this. Look down here, you're going to see referral and 3,000 credits. Now you can see 3,500 free credits. Track and control your credit. This is incredibly insane. So every time you sign up to this platform, you have 3,500 credits available. I mean, let's see what we can create, right? So once you are here, you're going to click on this project. When you are here, click on this new project. All right, it will take you to this interface. Now this is AI generator. Now we have image generator, we have video generator, and we have audio generator. And here at this point, you can upload image, upload video, upload audio. AI director. So let's create a video. Let's reference. So this platform uses Seedance 2.5. You can see here, right? Basically Seedance 2.5, and you can generate with 720p. And if you reduce it to 480p, let's see if our credit will reduce 440 credit. And if you use 720p for 4 seconds generation, we have 1,000 credits. So let's leave it at 480p and let's see the quality on this platform. Let's see if we can move it to 5 seconds. If you move it to 5 seconds, your credit increases. Okay, so let's say we want to generate 5 seconds. There's music and sound and 1 variations, right? I want to go ahead and upload my start frame. Okay, now once you click on that start frame, you'll see upload image here. Awesome. So this image is uploaded, so you wait for it to finish loading from here before we can add it up to the timeline. Once your image completes loading, it will automatically be added up here, and you can see it's already here on the Canva, right? Awesome. So the next thing is for us to paste our prompt here. Take note, like I said, this is Seedance 2.5 and this is 3,500 credits, and we are using 550 credits. Now, if you click this place, this button here, you can see this is smart prompt, okay, fine-tune prompt, raw prompt, send your prompt to the model unchanged. So if I select this send your model, if I say this raw prompt, it's going to come out the same way I send the prompt. But if you want it to fine-tune, like to refine your prompt on its own before sending it to the model, you can select this one. Now, if you wanted to craft the final prompt using your full project context, you just give your prompt. This particular segment here is going to craft it, and make it align with your context. Okay, so for me, I'm going to leave it at raw. Now, if you change that raw, it's going to come out the way you give. All right, and it's not going to affect any of our credits or anything here. So here you can select your aspect ratio. Do you want 16:9 or this? Literally, you can turn off sound if you don't want, silent, no sound at all. If you want no sound at all, it's still not changing our credit. So instead of that, why don't you create with audio and sound? Okay, music and sound. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that. Awesome. Because what I need is I want this woman to say something. All right, so I'm going to paste my prompt here and let's see the output. So I got my prompt from ChatGPT, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I'm good to go. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. Let's see what is going to happen, and automatically it will reflect here. So like you can see, it is composing. This is literally generating. 35%. Okay, so what you need to do is just to keep calm and be patient enough to wait. You can literally copy prompt from here if you want to use it somewhere else. So, and the results came out so amazing. Now, the only thing is that you just have to wait a bit. Remember, the platform is giving you free credits, and the only way you have to, the only thing you need to pay with is a little time. Just give it time. It might look like it's not moving, but just don't close the platform. All right. Now, once you can click on this more to see download, right? You can literally reuse your prompts and then you can regenerate from here. You can see this, right? So now let's go ahead and check out other models. So what you need to do is just double click on this video. Once you double click on the video, you can literally download it from here and you can literally edit whatever you need to edit from here. Okay, so now let's look at other models. Click on where you have this Seedance, right? So you want to see other models on this platform. You can see Omni Flash is here, new models 170 per second. You can see Seedance 2.5, we just created 4 to 30 seconds, new model 110 per second. And you can see now if you click on this Seedance, right, you see Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 fast, and Seedance 2.5. You can see this, right? All of these models are all available here. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Have you been able to create something with this? Remember, it's going to take you a while before you can generate a video because traffic already is high on the platform because of high demand. Do you understand? Of course, you can stay here and trim this platform. You can click on this trim and then you can drag this, okay, this slider, right, to any part you don't want to cut it out, right? You can take it out. This is the part you don't want. You can use this and then cut it out. Then once you are done, you can now apply trim, right? Then it will now, take effect. Now, after trimming, if you want to extract frame, so it has been trimmed and you see it has reduced to 4 seconds. It wasn't 4 seconds before. So if you want to extract frame, right, you can click on this trim again and then look at this frame here. Then you can now click on and extract the entire frame so it will appear on the Canva immediately. So this is how you use this platform. Movements, we have the movement here. You can select any of these and apply it here, and it will just add your prompt here and then hit generate if you want to generate another thing, right? So this is how you use this platform. Go ahead and try this platform out and then use it for your next project. Okay, while we wait for more tools to come, I have to quickly put this out here before it becomes more saturated. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. Now this is a trimmed video, the one we trimmed, right? This original video and then this distraction, the frame. Do you understand? So this is how you use this platform. And literally this platform has you want to see your generation is going to appear here. Click on this generation and then go through everything and then download it from here. The second platform I'll be introducing to you in this video is this particular platform. Like you can see here, it says Manus is free for a limited time. No credit will be charged through August 2025. So while we still have time, this time is limited. You have till August 25th. So jump on this and generate 2 agents included. Okay, so for you to bring in a reference image to this place, you need to double tap on here. Once you double click, it will take you to your gallery in your mobile phone for you to bring in any reference image of your choice. Paste this prompt. Now let's see what Manus is going to generate for us. So in no time, the image is ready. Now, before now, I've been using this Manus AI actually, but it wasn't for image generation or video generation. It was only for removing or watermark from Meta AI videos. But guys, look at the incredible results this platform gave us. So if you're cool with this, you click that download button and download. Now for you to have access to this platform, just sign up, okay, using any email of your choice. Select any one and double click and then let's animate and see the video quality on this platform. And guys, in no time the video is ready. Let's play this and see the quality. This is incredibly insane, guys. So if you're cool with this, go over there, click the download button, or you click and edit it in your editor. click that place, edit it in editor. Once you click that editor, it will bring you to another interface. Then you have to edit, remove what you need to remove, cut out the excessive part. And I mean, if you're done with everything, adding another clips, you can go ahead and click export. So that's how you're going to use this platform, guys. This is hot, so jump on this and start using this.
If you've watched this time, let me know what you think about this platform. Quickly jump on it right now and start generating. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.